If you're a business owner who needs reliable and efficient waste management, Freedom Dumpster, LLC, is your trusted partner for dumpster rental solutions. Whether handling a large-scale construction project, managing daily business waste, or undergoing a property cleanout, Freedom Dumpster, LLC offers top-notch service tailored to your needs. With years of industry experience, this locally owned company understands the importance of prompt and dependable service, ensuring your waste is handled responsibly. Freedom Dumpster, LLC offers a variety of dumpster sizes, making it easy to find the right solution for your project, no matter how big or small. Their team is committed to providing fast delivery and pickup so your project can run smoothly without unnecessary delays. Plus, they prioritize customer satisfaction by offering flexible rental periods and transparent pricing. No hidden fees, just reliable service you can count on. As a business owner, staying focused on your operations is critical. Freedom Dumpster, LLC makes waste management hassle-free, allowing you to focus on what matters most, growing your business. When you choose Freedom Dumpster, LLC, you're not just getting a dumpster. You're partnering with a company that takes pride in serving the community with integrity and professionalism. Don't let waste management slow your business down. Contact Freedom Dumpster, LLC today at www.freedomdumpsteronline.com or call 931-307-1231 to learn more about their affordable, dependable dumpster rental services. Let them help you keep your business running efficiently.